The trailer disconnected message in Ford vehicles, including F-150, F-250, Expedition, and Explorer from 2020 to 2025, indicates a communication problem between your truck and the trailer's electrical system. This stems from the Integrated Trailer Brake Controller, or ITBC. Key causes include wiring issues, such as corroded or loose connections at the trailer hitch, where moisture and vibration are common culprits. Software glitches from outdated ITBC or body control module firmware can cause false positives. Power supply problems include blown fuses in the power distribution box or voltage drops from overloaded circuits. Trailer compatibility issues arise from mismatched trailer wiring or non-standard adapters. Finally, sensor faults involve defective trailer presence sensors or brake controller malfunctions. This message can lead to trailer brake malfunctions, so addressing it quickly is crucial. Recent software updates have helped, but the issue persists, particularly with aftermarket trailer installations. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle the vehicle by turning it off completely and restarting. Then, inspect and clean all trailer connections for corrosion or looseness. Finally, reset the integrated trailer brake controller through the dashboard menu. For advanced troubleshooting, use Ford's integrated diagnostic software shown here. This tool can scan for specific error codes in the U3000 series related to module communication failures, and it allows you to update the vehicle's software to fix known glitches. If hardware is the issue, you may need to replace faulty wiring harnesses or the brake controller itself. This typically costs between $200 and $800, depending on parts and labor, at a Ford dealership. For electrical testing, use a multimeter to check continuity, which should show 0 ohms between trailer wiring pins. Also, test voltage at the hitch, which should match your battery levels of 12 to 13 volts. The wiring diagram here shows the standard pin configurations. To prevent these issues, perform regular inspections of your trailer connections. Also, check if your vehicle is affected by NETTETSA recall number 24V456, which covers faulty trailer wiring harnesses that could cause intermittent disconnections. If the trailer disconnected message continues to appear after these steps, it's best to consult a professional technician at your Ford dealership for further diagnosis.